Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Steph Stuff. This is Steph, by the way. So for this episode of Steph Stuff, this one is going to be different in the sense that I'm not gonna be featuring or reviewing a car or a motorcycle, but rather meron akong isi-chismis sa inyo. Meron kasi ako nakitang listahan. Itong listahan ng mga cars for sale, binibenta ng RCBC. They posted it sa kanilang website just a couple of days ago. And yung tinignan ko yung listahan, talagang napawawa ko kasi una sa lahat, no bid required. Okay, just for a quick overview, pag bibili ka ng sasakyan, mga repossessed cars sa bangko, usually you have to participate sa bid sa public auction. But this time around, no bid required. So ano na lang, paunahan, first come first serve basis. You just have to submit your intent to buy, and more on that process later. Number two, syempre yung presyo ng mga sasakyan. So yung bangko, they tried selling the unit sa previous sale nila, hindi na benta, so binenta nila this month, but now with a discounted price. So for this episode, ang gagawin natin ay i-share ko sa inyo yung mga sasakyan na nakita ko sa listahan na bumaba yung presyo, which at the same time, for me, okay pa yung condition ng sasakyan. So quality, good car quality, and with good price. So stay put. Okay, welcome back. So, gaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, diniview ko yung current list of cars for sale ng RCBC, itong no bid required, at pumili ako ng mga sasakyan na para sa akin ay good buys. Okay, so samahan nyo ako sa pagtitingin. So, the first thing that we have to do is to go to the website of RCBC. So you just have to go to www.rcbc.com/RCBC cars for sale. Okay, and then from there, click nyo lang yung button which says cars for sale, no bid required, and it will download automatically the PDF file which contains the list of cars for sale, also the sales mechanics or how to purchase a unit from RCBC. So ngayon sa PDF, ito yung mga sasakyan for me na good buys, mababa yung presyo talaga. Mahilig ba kayo sa Honda? Ito, kasi marami dito ako nakita ng mga Honda City. Mga Honda City na baba na ng presyo. Like for example, this one. May nakita ko dito, Honda City 2016 year model. Ang plate number niya is NBW 2031. Crystal black. Sa Bagong Bayan Warehouse. Ang kanyang presyo before or last month was 422,000 pesos. But now, ang presyo na lang niya is 380,000 pesos. Okay? So, kung budget nyo is around 300,000 pesos, 300,000 to 400,000 pesos, marami dito mga Honda City na ganun ang presyo. Like this one, 2016 year model Honda City, automatic gas, plate number CBF 4171, color is modern steel, Ang presyo niya before 427,000 pesos, but now it is 385,000 pesos. And this car is stored at RCBC Pinagbuhatan, Pasig Warehouse. Meron din dito na 2019 year model na Honda City, pero ang price range niya is less than 400,000 pesos. Gaya ng itong Honda City 2019 automatic gas with plate number NAP1018. Yung mileage niya is medyo mataas nga na yung mileage. 202,530. Ang presyo niya dati is 436,000, but now 393,000 pesos na lang. This one is also located at RCBC Pinagbuhatan, Pasig Warehouse. Okay, then meron din dito 2020 Honda City manual transmission. Kung mahilig kayo sa manual. Plate number is NGD7896. Mileage niya is 22,190. Color is silver, lunar silver metallic. Ang presyo niya is 526,000 pesos. Also, you will find this unit at RCBC Pinagbuhatan, Pasig Warehouse. Yun. Kung gusto nyo ng Civic, may nakita ko dito 2018 and year model Honda Civic automatic gas. Plate number is CAT3012. Mileage niya is 59,000 kilometers. 59,000 kilometers. Color is white orchid pearl. Ang presyo na lang niya now is 735,000 pesos. Dati siyang 860,000 pesos. Sa RCBC Pinagbuhatan, Pasig Warehouse. Yun rin makikita itong unit na to. So, ang next natin, Hyundai naman. Pag Hyundai, if you're into small cars, meron ako ditong mga nakikita na mga unit na nasa 300,000 range only. So, perfect ito as your second car, pang car for coding, ganun, o di kaya kung nag-aaral kayo magmaneho, pang practice nyo. So, ito, 2020 Hyundai Accent automatic gas. Plate number is DS6304. Mileage niya is 48,000 kilometers. Red. Presyo niya before is 549,000 pesos and now 495,000 pesos na lang ang presyo. Makikita niyo itong car na to sa RCBC Bagong Bayan Warehouse. Hyundai Accent, pero ito naman sa Davao. So, kung taga Davao ka, punta ka sa Catalunan Grande warehouse ng RCBC. Ito naman, I think okay yung presyo nito. For 315,000 pesos, you get a 2020 Hyundai Accent automatic gas. Ang plate number ng unit nito ay LAI 9617, Phantom Black ang color, pero medyo mataas yung mileage, 89,000 kilometers. 2019 Hyundai Accent, yung presyo niya is 370,000 pesos only. This one is automatic gas. Plate number is GAJ1079. Mileage is 19,000 kilometers. Color is Velvet June. Ano kaya Velvet June? Yun, dati niyang presyo is 411,000 pesos. But now it is 370,000 pesos. And you can check this unit at RCBC Auto Iloilo Leganes Warehouse. So, yung mga location ng mga websites, ilalagay ko to sa end part ng vlog ko. So, Hyundai Ion na 135,000 na lang ang presyo, but This one, 2013 ang year model. Manual transmission, gas engine, plate number is KGL 425 with a mileage of 91,000 kilometers. Color is white. As I've said earlier, presyo na lang niya is 135,000 pesos. And you can find this car at RCBC Bacolod Danalan Parking. Okay, check naman natin itong Kia brand. Sa mga mahihilig sa small cars with low budget, small budget, I'm sure magugustuhan nyo itong Kia Rio. I can see here a Kia Rio 2016 year model automatic gas with plate number NBN 7919 and a mileage of 50,000 kilometers. Color is white. The price is 299,000 pesos, and you can check this unit out at RCBC Bagong Bayan Warehouse. Meron din tayo dito Kia Picanto 2017 year model automatic gas. Plate number is GAD 3226 with a mileage of 143,000 kilometers. Yun lang, medyo mataas ang mileage. Color is blue, pero yung presyo is mababa na at 266,000 pesos only. And you can find this car by visiting our website, our warehouse at Pinagbuhatan, Pasig. Okay, hanap pa tayo. How about Kia Soluto? Baka gusto nyo to. Kia Soluto, ito bagong-bago pa. 2023 year model. So I can see here two. One is located at Las Piñas warehouse. Engine is automatic gas. Plate number is DBJ 4608. Mileage is 6,546 kilometers only. Color red with a price tag of 630,000 pesos. Dati niyang presyo is 699,000 pesos. And another Kia Soluto 2023 year model. Ito, mas mababa ang presyo nito, 546,000 pesos. Kasi mas mataas yung mileage. Mileage naman nito is 26,000 kilometers. Color is beige. And the plate number is ZACA392. Automatic gas engine din ito. But this unit is located at Opol, Cagayan de Oro. So, sa Mindanao. So, kung taga CDO ka o sa Opol, then baka magusto mo itong unit na to. For me, reasonably priced na itong unit na to. 2023 year model for 546,000 pesos. Mura na. And speaking of mga bago-bago pang cars, I can see here that yung brand na Geely, maraming nahatak na mga medyo bago pa na Geely units. But itong mga 2022 year model, ito yung mga napresyohan ng bank na with a discount of around 10%. Like ito, nakita ko dito, 2022 year model ng Geely M-Grand Comfort Sedan. Transmission niya is automatic gas engine. Plate number DBH9657. Mileage is 8,657 kilometers only. Gray color. This one can be found at Las Piñas warehouse. Price niya is 467,000 pesos. Not bad, diba? 2022 year model. So bagong-bago na yun. For me, bago na yun 2022. I can also see here another 2022 year model ng M-Grand. This one can be found at our RCBC Pinagbuhatan Pasig warehouse. Yeah, automatic gas model, but this one is a premium variant, Geely M Grand Premium Sedan. Plate number nito is NIM 5373, gray color. Presyo niya mas mataas, 567,000 pesos. Obviously, because yung kanina Comfort, ito is premium. Meron din Geely M Grand Premium Sedan, 2022 year model din sa RCBC Las Piñas warehouse. Okay. Automatic gas engine din. Plate number is DBI 3548. Mileage niya is 2,723 kilometers only. Baba. Ang color niya is gray. And ang presyo niya is 602,000 pesos. Okay, and that nitong presyo is 668,000 pesos. Well, now 602,000 pesos na lang. So, kunin mo na. Nakita ko itong unit na to sa Las Piñas warehouse. I can tell you. Amoy niya sa loob, amoy bago pa.
So, mahaba-haba na din itong vlog na ito. I'll stop it here muna and we will have a part 2. Please wait and check for the next episode of Seth Stuff. If you want to see the full list of cars for sale, please visit www.rcbc.com/rcbccarsforsale. For the mechanics on how to buy, please go through the steps indicated in the webpage of RCBC Cars for Sale, which nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. Now, for the directions to the RCBC auto warehouses, better search them on Waze or Google Maps. Here, check on the screen kung ano dapat ang ita-type or isa-search nyo sa Waze or Google Maps. So, I hope nakatulong itong vlog ko sa car search nyo for affordable quality used cars. More cars to be featured in the next episode of Seth Stuff. But then again, you can search on your own by downloading the full list of cars for sale from www.rcbc.com/rcbccarsforsale. If you haven't subscribed yet sa channel ko, please do so. Watch out for part 2. Till next time, ciao!